It's 5 in the morning and this is going to be the first time we're gonna take the Mercedes-Benz AMG on a road trip. So I'm looking forward to it. It's been resting here for a couple of days. I'm waiting for an adventure. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. Though it's raining outside, but Sweden. Behind the wheel, we got the candy, we got the drinks, everything you need for a successful road trip. It's gonna be actually really fun being able to finally drive this car as it's meant to be driven with my 500 horsepower. So yeah, montage.
Say a few words.
Okay, but just as few as I possibly can.
We found a tunnel. One thing this car loves is gas. But we got a 488 here. It's the first time ever in my life to see somebody else driving a CLS 55. You, sir, have great taste. So we made it. The car was just unbelievable. So another CLS 55 AMG actually, which you never see those on the road. And now I'm just gonna relax. Decent. Number 2, we just had a okay stay in that hotel. It was nice to just relax. And now, time for the fun part. Keep on driving this little car. So about 150 kilometer drive, which is not that long, but it's okay, you can feel her out a little bit at least. I think we found something really cool, a new M5. I love this blue color, carbon fiber roof as well. It looks really cool. The sun has come up. We have 500 horsepower under my foot. Oh my god, it's so nice. Let's go. I love the sound this thing makes. It sounds like an animal. Let's see how fast this car actually is. We got a Ferrari F430 behind us. So let's see if we want to have some fun. I think it's 490 horsepower, the Ferrari. Ah, come on Ferrari, what you got? What you got, my friend? Come on. Come on, let's see what you got. I think this one is faster actually. Let's find out. I want to get it beside. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Come on, Ferrari. I know you got more. I know you got more. Come on. Ah, Ferrari, my ass. I love the feeling when someone has Ferrari F430 and they can't keep up with a 30-year-old Mercedes-Benz CLS with 5 AMG.
We're in the Ferrari gang.
I don't know which is faster. It would be actually quite cool to compare. I don't know if this one is faster or the Ferrari, but in fact he had full throttle and I was just up his ass and he could not get away from me. So, and actually the Mercedes was pulling away from it. So it seems that this one is actually faster, which is actually fun. This car is faster than Ferrari 430. Oh my god, that's so much fun. economy has gone to shit. But yeah, I mean, I wanted a 430, but not anymore. We're arriving now at my parents' place, and oh, there's my dad actually. So.
I'm så arg.
My dad loves this car, I hope. The Ferrari killing Mercedes-Benz AMG. I actually took my father out and my brother out in this car, and my father actually did not kill me, which is a good sign. Getting scared.
Du kan vägen, jag glömde att du kan vägen. Min telefon flög någonstans.
I think my little brother also. Do you like the car, Isaac?
Ja, I do.
Isaac likes the car. Where is your phone?
Jag vet inte. Den flög. Jag vet inte var den flög. Oh, I got it. Oh, both of them. Wait. One and two.
It's getting quite a lot of wheel spin though. I think I'm turning everything back on. I'm like a 5-year-old child in this car.
Hörde du det? Det är som ljud.
See if we can make it pop. In manual mode, it does not automatic shift, which is actually very surprising. I thought it would. I don't know if the gearbox has been remapped or something, but it does not automatic shift. You can actually bang the rev limiter on the car.
Det var bara det. Du ser, du har inte klickt här. Oj, hade den gått ner? Har den gått ner lite mer eller?
Nej.
Den är likadan.
Den är likadan.
Det är mobil. Det är mobil.
Nej, men bara vänta då.
Kan jag lägga den där inne då? Okay?
Ja, lägg den i dörren bara. Now let's challenge my little brother at the game of fjordball or basketball. Hold on.
LeBron James.
Oh! Passar bollen.
Jag hämtar pumpen.
Jag sa efter mina då. Hämta.
We got a back quality bar.
We gave up on the ball, so I won the content of basketball as usual because I am the shit at basketball.
Kan ni försöka med den bollen?
And I think that's pretty much it. First road trip with the Mercedes CLS 55. This time we made it to our destination in one piece. So, and our first road trip with a new tune, I guess. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. And more videos to come with this beautiful car.